For you to even ask, I want to cry. You know, bro, it's nothing like seeing somebody's face, bro, when you hit the spot. Yeah, you made something disappear, bro. Like a worry disappear. It's just that moment that your facial expression is like, there is a God. WakuWaku is a very positive term used in Japan. It's actually to say whether I'm happy or I'm excited, especially if you're going to use it for a future reference. For example, if you and I were going to a movie tomorrow, I'll be WakuWaku. It's the moment and also the future. Hence the reason why I called it WakuWaku, man. What I intended from the very beginning, actually, to tell you the truth, is to have food presented to the halal market of the highest level. I'm not shunning away the non-halal market. They can always share a table with us. So to have Yakiniku at the highest level, meaning Wagyu beef coming in halal. And as we all know, Japanese food is one of the hardest to make halal. But I stand by WakuWaku from the fact we take care of our charcoal to the fact that we take care of our rice and the beef. Our sauce. So the Yakiniku sauce, right, if being bought or if made original, is not halal. So we've rendered the sauce. We've tried many different sauces. We've tried what we like best, and then we duplicate it. And yeah, we found our very own recipe for it. So it's something that we have that we're very proud of. You know, I always believe that if you take care of your people and they are happy and well, they take care of the food, their happiness goes into the food. Then you serve the people who come and eat, and they get to feel the happiness through the food. I've got good people working with me, but they've got their dark days too, you know? And yes, people have come up to me to say, your food is not up to their standards. No doubt. How do I handle it? This is my style. I don't expect anybody to follow my style. But if you're not happy with something that I served you, come back. And that one that you're not happy with was on us. So my biggest inspiration to open restaurants, WakuWaku, and hopefully many more after this, would be my family or my wife, Annabelle, who has given up so much for me, you know, and she has converted or reverted into the religion of Islam. That was a very big step for me. To be able to duplicate the non-halal food, to be as halal, but to taste as non-halal as possible. Yeah, that's the way it is. So I have to say that my main inspiration in doing all this is my wife and my family. Bro, it's nothing like seeing somebody's face, bro, when you hit the spot, when you get the right food. It's just the right day, and person takes the bite, right? And you can see it in their face, gratitude. Yeah, you made something disappear, bro. Like a worry disappear. It's just that moment that your facial expression is like, there is a God. You know, there's a higher being than this. And you can see it, you know, bro, in their face, in the eyes. When you sit down and break bread with somebody, it becomes blood, bro. So if I share a meal with you, right, that one meal that I have with you is blood, bro. It becomes our blood. We have the same blood running in our veins that meal. So that's why when somebody says, let's break bread, it means a lot, bro. It breaks through barriers, bro. It cuts through race, color, creed. And for me to have a restaurant where people come and break bread, I love it. So where do I see WakuWaku in the future? I would like a bigger WakuWaku. Not many WakuWakus, but a bigger WakuWaku, so I get to serve more people at one time. Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Sheikh Haikal, and I am the owner of WakuWaku Yakiniku.